Let me show you how to stop WhatsApp from saving photos to the gallery on your phone. Now, if you don't necessarily want those photos and videos to be on your phone, you just want them to be on WhatsApp, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is open up the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android. We have a couple different options to be able to prevent this from automatically saving all those photos and videos after you've watched them or seen them. The first option is to go into the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, you can go to Storage and Data, and you'll be able to see towards the bottom, it says Media Auto Download. This means it will automatically download those to your phone. You can choose instead of Wi-Fi and cell, you can switch this to never, but keep in mind this might mess up your visibility of seeing those even within the WhatsApp app. So the better option here is to go to the chat section and you can see an option that says save to your photos. Automatically save photos and videos you receive to the photos gallery on your iPhone or Android. Make sure to turn that off, and I would also recommend just going into your settings. Let me go back to the beginning here. From your beginning of your settings, we need to scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps, and then scroll down to WhatsApp for this to work. So go all the way down to WhatsApp, and then make sure for photos here, instead of full access, you might want to switch this to none to prevent it from saving to your phone.